Right, today I'm just going to do a little bit of lock picking practice. Now I got sent these two little red locks, and they're pretty small, and they're made over way over there, and I'm just going to see how easy these are to get open. There's the key. It is locked. And I'm just going to put the turning tool in. And as easy as that, I didn't even have to use a pick, just a turning tool, and it opens right up. Let's try that again. There, it's locked up. And I'm just going to put the turning tool that puts pressure on the pin body. And I'm just going to put pressure on it. And it did it again, open right up. This is not a really good lock to depend upon for anything. So let's try the second one. Same lock from the same country. And going to use the same turning tool. Put some pressure on the core. So that does not open up. Just with that, so I'm going to use just a pretty straight pin or a pick, just a little bit of a bump on there at the end, and I'm just going to push down on the pins. There's about 4 pins. I'm just going to wiggle it around a little bit, and that opened just like that. So that's 2 that open really easily. Now here's another one that I think I've had this one for about 2 years. It's a Brinks stainless steel, and it's got a stainless steel hasp. I guess that's called a hasp up there. It's rubber coated, and it is made, you can see where it's made, more stainless markings. And the number on this is the R70. So there's the key. Feels pretty solid. So I'm going to try to open this one up. I've had it for several years and I haven't tried too much. But I'm just going to use this little turning tool. And put a little bit of pressure on the core, and I'm going to use this lock pick, and I'm going to press down on the pins. Now that didn't work. Now what I'm going to try is just a simple rake. I'm going to pull it out, just pull it out a couple of times, push down the pins again. Sometimes this works. And there you go. That was just a simple technique. Push this pick in and just pull it fast. Pull the pin, the pick across the pins. Pull it fast. It turned it, or it bounced them around and got this thing open. So that's a nice little technique that works. And I guess I can give this little demonstration a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.